What is up everyone, Jay Flores here for the vlog, and tonight I'm gonna teach you how to cook a Filipino style chicken curry. Let's go! So before we start, I just want to say that this recipe is not your traditional curry like an Indian curry. So bear in mind that this is Filipino style and it is my own version. So please do comment down below, what do you think? Alright? So without further ado, let's get to cooking. Game? Game. Here's what you need. Carrots, onion, potato, ginger, turmeric powder, curry powder, banana, coconut milk, all-purpose cream, and chicken. You can use any cut of the chicken that you want. Spice the chicken with salt, pepper, garlic powder, turmeric powder, and curry powder. Now dice up those carrots, potatoes, onions, and bananas. Bananas. Now in a pan, add a lot of oil midway and shallow fry your vegetables, carrots, potatoes, and bananas. Remember to cook them to golden brown, since this is also a way that your vegetables won't break. Also, this would partially cook your vegetables. When you're all done, just set the vegetables aside. Make sure to drain all that fat and oil though. Before we continue, I just want to remind everyone that I have an ongoing giveaway. The link's gonna be down below in the description box. So please find time to watch it, guys. I need your views. Let's get back to cooking. In a different pan, now you can sear your chicken. Make sure to sear them really well on both sides. Now just let those chickens swim in oil. Now you've done a nice sear on those chickens. Pull them out of the oil and set aside. Now on the same pan, saute your onions until translucent or golden brown and just let it roll. Add in ginger and saute really hard again. So lastly, garlic. Now put the chickens back to the pot. Season again with some salt, pepper, turmeric powder, and curry powder. And make sure to mix them very well so the flavors will be distributed equally. Now you can add some sugar to balance everything out. Sorry, I forgot to mention this a while ago during the ingredients scene. You can now add the water, and if you have some chicken stock, that would be a lot better. And cover the pot and wait until the chicken is about done. A little trivia. Did you know that chicken curry was discovered by the Germans? No, it's not true. I'm just kidding. Ha. Make sure to mix every once in a while. And now you can add in your vegetables. Mix them thoroughly, and remember that we have partially cooked our veg, so be careful not to overcook them. Now you can cover the pot and wait until everything is done. That's my grandma, and she's also cooking something interesting. Make sure to check your chicken curry once in a while. The cooking time in total would probably use up around 30 minutes to 40 of your time, so please be patient. Now we just have to let this boil uncovered so the sauce would reduce and it would result to more flavor. That's my grandma. Now the sauce has reduced, you can add in your coconut milk with some again swirly swirl. Mix it all around, make sure the sides are clean, and let it boil, let it boil. And boil and boil. Once the sauce has already reduced a little, you can now turn off the heat, and lastly, add your all-purpose cream. This is the last part. And voila, you are done. That looks freaking amazing. So that is it for the vlog, and I hope you had fun. I hope you will try it at home, and please do let me know what do you think, but I assure you it's gonna be delicioso. Alright, so God bless, peace.